Discover Meraki MR, cloud-managed Wi-Fi for healthcare, offering 99.99% wireless uptime and health insurance portability and Accountability Act compliance. Benefit from expert Ekahau design with predictive modeling and on-site validation. Enjoy fixed-price delivery with guaranteed outcomes, ensuring reliable, high-density wireless for regional healthcare providers. Brought to you by BTI Communications Group, a Cisco Meraki authorized partner. Healthcare wireless infrastructure is critical. Dropped connections disrupt workflows, delay telemedicine, and risk health insurance portability and Accountability Act compliance. Legacy systems can't handle today's demands. BTI Communications Group offers a solution with Cisco Meraki MR Wi-Fi and Ekahau design, ensuring 99.99% uptime, compliance, and cost savings with predictable managed services. Legacy Wi-Fi systems in healthcare struggle with device density, regulatory compliance, and cybersecurity. Downtime disrupts care, costing up to $9,000 per minute. Coverage gaps in dense environments and health insurance portability and Accountability Act compliance risks are prevalent. Medical Internet of Things devices face cyber exposure without Layer 7 visibility. Understanding these gaps is crucial for improvement. Cisco Meraki MR access points, paired with BTI's Ekahau design and managed services, transform healthcare wireless networks. Zero-touch deployment via the Meraki dashboard eliminates on-site hardware, offering real-time analytics. Wi-Fi 6E supports dense clinical environments, while Layer 7 controls prioritized clinical traffic, ensuring secure, optimized performance across healthcare facilities. BTI's Ekahau powered design process is the cornerstone of reliable healthcare Wi-Fi. It starts with facility discovery, reviewing architectural details and device inventories. Predictive radio frequency modeling follows, using Ekahau Pro software to optimize access point placement. On-site surveys validate these models, ensuring real-world accuracy. Post-deployment validation confirms network performance, correcting any gaps before final approval. BTI's Meraki MR deployments deliver 99.99% wireless uptime and 60% faster issue resolution. Clients see a 40% cost reduction and 3 times coverage improvement. A regional health system reported 0 electronic health record downtime and reduced telemedicine drop rates. A multi-site physician group achieved health insurance portability and Accountability Act readiness and improved voice-over Internet protocol roaming performance significantly. Health insurance portability and Accountability Act compliance in healthcare wireless networks is crucial. Meraki MR with BTI's segmentation ensures secure electronic protected health information transmission. Dedicated service set identifiers and virtual local area networks protect clinical systems from guest and Internet of Things device threats. Comprehensive audit logging and integrated intrusion detection system/intrusion prevention system provide robust security, meeting health insurance portability and Accountability Act standards. 802.1x authentication further secures clinical access, preventing unauthorized device connections. BTI Group stands out in the healthcare wireless market by offering Ekahau engineered designs, in-house installation, and a comprehensive managed security stack. Our own certified crews ensure precise deployments, while 24/7 Security Operations Center, Security Information and Event Management, and Network Operations Center integration provide continuous monitoring. We offer a fixed price guarantee and discounted hardware pricing, ensuring cost-effective, reliable solutions for healthcare providers. BTI offers flexible managed services tailored to diverse healthcare models, providing 3 core delivery models at a predictable monthly fee. Our fully managed model is ideal for groups lacking dedicated wireless expertise, covering Meraki dashboard management, firmware updates, and compliance reporting. This service is 40 to 60% cheaper than equivalent in-house operations. BTI's deployment framework ensures long-term Wi-Fi reliability in healthcare settings. It includes predictive design, installation, discovery, validation, and infrastructure readiness. The same team manages each phase, preventing handoff failures. Clinical-specific best practices and continuous optimization maintain network performance despite changes, ensuring operational excellence beyond initial deployment. BTI Communications Group offers verified operational credentials and safety certifications for healthcare Wi-Fi transformations. With ICE Networld certification, Los Angeles County TESMA, General Services Administration Schedule, and California Multiple Award Schedules contracts, BTI ensures compliance and streamlined procurement. As a Cisco Meraki authorized partner, BTI provides expert network design and health insurance portability and accountability act governance, risk, and compliance integration, supporting healthcare organizations with reliable, compliant infrastructure solutions. Replacing legacy wireless infrastructure with Cisco Meraki MR, managed by BTI, saves over $232,000 annually for a typical 200 provider group. This transition eliminates capital expenditure cycles and enhances performance and compliance. Most clients achieve full payback within 18 to 24 months, with positive return on investment in year one, factoring in disposal costs and productivity recovery. Explore BTI's no-cost Ekahau-powered healthcare Wi-Fi assessment to enhance your wireless infrastructure. Choose from a site survey, modernization workshop, or full operational transformation proposal. Each option offers tailored solutions to improve performance, compliance, and scalability. Contact BTI for expert guidance and support in optimizing your network for healthcare environments.